Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger radio. First, let's gather the few simple tools you'll need for this easy process. You'll want a 7mm socket or wrench to handle the screws. Also, grab a flat blade screwdriver, and it's a good idea to wrap its tip in painter's tape to protect your dash. Finally, have a small container ready for any screws or connectors. Now let's get started by removing the center dash bezel. Look just below your radio for two small screws. These are typically 7mm. Carefully remove them and set them aside. Next, using your taped flat blade screwdriver, gently pry at the bottom edge of the center trim panel. Work slowly around the perimeter, releasing the clips that hold the bezel in place until it comes free. With the bezel now loose, carefully pull it away from the dashboard. You'll notice several electrical connectors attached to its backside. Take your time to disconnect each one. They usually have small tabs to press. Don't forget to unplug the antenna wire, which simply pulls straight out, and any other switches like the four-wheel drive selector if your truck has one. This frees the bezel completely. Finally, it's time to remove the radio itself. With the bezel out of the way, you'll see the radio unit. On each side, there are usually two spring retainers or metal clips. Simply push these clips inward either by hand or with a screwdriver while gently pulling the radio forward. Once released, slide the radio completely out, disconnect its main wiring harness and the antenna cable. And just like that, your Ford Ranger radio is removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.